In this Gimbal Guru video, I show you 21 creative 360 video ideas for 2021. Get inspired and try them out for yourself. All the shots you will see now were created with the Insta360 One X2 and One R, which are great 360 cameras. If you're looking for a 360 camera, check out the links in the description and get yours now. The first idea is the FPV Shot, which is one of my favorites. Because of the amazing electronic stabilization skills of 360 cameras and the recorded 360 video, it is possible to reframe the video so that it looks like you're flying a FPV drone. This creative 360 video idea will pimp your videos and amaze your viewers. The second idea is the POV Shot. 360 cameras are perfect for creating POV shots. Because of the 360 spherical video recording, you have full control of all your perspective parameters. Plus the electronic image stabilization is stabilizing and balancing your POV shot automatically. In post-production, you are able to change the rotation, the tilting, panning and zoom value, or change the view completely to add dynamic movements. Idea number 3 is the invisible selfie stick. If you record a 360 video, it is merged together at least of 2 videos or more. The adding process is called stitching. At this stitching process, the selfie stick is removed out of the video. This technology is a huge advantage of 360 cameras, and every viewer who is not familiar with 360 cams will rack their brains how it is possible. The fourth idea is the 360 orbit shot. Take your 360 camera, mount it on a selfie stick and swing it around your head. Because of the invisible selfie stick and the electronic image stabilization, which leads to a horizontal lock, it looks like a drone is cycling around you. A great 360 video reframing idea, which is easy to create. Try it out. The fifth idea is the third-person view. Mount your 360 camera on a telescope stick and attach it on your body. Then extend the stick and walk around. This effect looks like you're playing a computer game in third-person view. The sixth idea is the 360 timelapse. Set up your 360 camera wherever you want and start recording a 360 timelapse video. Now you have the possibility to reframe it and create a motion timelapse. Very easy to create, but impressive to watch. Idea number 7 is the dive shot. Mount your 360 camera on a telescope stick and extend it. To create the dive shot, raise the camera above you and then quickly pull it down to the ground. Adjust the reframing parameters in post-production, so that the camera points downwards with a minimal zoom value at the beginning. At the end, point forward and increase the zoom value. And the dive shot is finished. Idea number 8 is the hyperlapse. Walk around with your 360 camera wherever you want and record a video. In post-production, you can speed up the video and create the hyperlapse. Because of the powerful stabilization skills, you get a smooth hyperlapse video. Idea number 9 is the tracking shot. Your 360 camera is filming the whole environment around you, so you have the possibility in post-production to track any object you want. No matter if you want to track a person, an object or anything else. The 360 video gives you endless possibilities. Idea number 10 is the tiny world. This idea is 360 camera stereotyped and very often used. You reach the effect by lowering the zoom value in post-production. You can use the effect when you move around and the environment around you is changing, or when the camera is set up fixed and objects move around the camera. Idea number 11 is the Vertico or Dolly zoom effect. To reach this effect, walk straight, approach an object. In post-production, you have to change the zoom value to create the Vertico effect. Very easy, but impressive. Idea number 12 is the 360 lookaround. Hold up your 360 camera or mount it on a pole stick and walk around. In post-production, you can change the pan angle and create the 360 lookaround. This 360 video idea is perfect if you want to capture the whole environment around for your viewer. Idea number 13 is the split screen. With a 360 camera, you are filming the whole area around you. If you want to show the viewer different perspectives at the same time, you can create a split screen. For instance, if you film a video vlog, you can show the viewer the selfie and front perspective. Idea number 14 is the top-down perspective. Mount your 360 camera on a telescope stick, extend it and walk around. Point the perspective downwards to get the top-down look. Because of the invisible selfie stick, it looks like a drone is following around you. Idea number 15 is the time freeze effect. This one is very impressive. Find an interesting moment where you can freeze the time in your video. To do this, just use a still image. Now you can add a motion by changing the perspective with your reframing tool, so it looks like you're moving around in the frozen moment. Change the perspective and play back the video to leave. Idea number 16 is the tilt shot. You can easily reframe your 360 footage and tilt up or down your perspective. This tilt shot looks really cool in some situations. Idea number 17 is the 360 roll. This reframing idea is very simple. You only have to change the roll parameter. The 360 roll is a great idea to pump up your videos or to use it for a transition. Idea number 18 is the inverted tiny planet. This shot is similar to the tiny planet, only inverted. With this effect you reach interesting perspectives, so try it out. Idea number 19 is the tiny planet flip. This is a combination of the tiny planet and the inverted tiny planet shot. You start with a tiny planet and switch to an inverted tiny planet by changing the parameters with keyframes. Idea number 20 is the enter planet shot. Here you simply enter the tiny planet by zooming in. This effect looks really interesting and it's perfect for starting a video. The last 360 video idea is the grenade shot. This one is awesome. Take your 360 camera and throw it in the air. Alternatively, you can use a long telescope stick. In post-production, you reframe the video so that it looks like a grenade is exploding. All the in-depth tutorials for the 360 video ideas and how you create these shots you find in the video description. If you're motivated but don't have a 360 camera, check out the links in the description and get your Insta360 One X2 or One R now. In my opinion, these 360 cameras are the best on the market right now. Enjoy the full power of 360 cams and unleash your creativity. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new and get motivated to try it out yourself. Subscribe to my channel for more 360 video ideas, tutorials and camera reviews. I see you in the next video.